A stroke is a life-changing event, physically and emotionally. Simple, everyday tasks may become more challenging or need to be relearned, and you may need more frequent rest breaks. Every stroke is unique, and your recovery will be too. As a trusted resource in your post-stroke journey, we've created step-by-step guides to make some common activities a little easier. Today's activity: organizing your week.
Sometimes just managing all your day-to-day tasks can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Get started by making a list of what you need to do or would like to accomplish each day. Break up activities into small steps to make them more manageable. Checking off completed steps can be very satisfying and empowering. You can also use a calendar to track your daily accomplishments. Make sure to keep it somewhere handy and visible. Conserve your energy by focusing on doing the things that are most important to you and asking for assistance with other things. Don't try to do too many things in one day. Instead, prioritize and schedule your activities. For example, Monday, grocery shopping. Plan meals for the week, make your grocery list, and order online for delivery or curbside pickup. Tuesday, meal preparation. Chop items such as fruits and vegetables that can be stored and used later. Wednesday, do laundry. Wash and dry your clothes, or if it's easier, you might try doing one small load of laundry each day. Thursday, put laundry away. Fold and put away clothes. Again, you might instead choose to do one small load each day. Friday, pick up clutter around the house. Put things away in designated places to make them easier to find. Here are some more helpful tips. Shop online when possible and have things delivered to your home. If you're able and cleared by your doctor, do some gentle exercises or stretching every day. If you have rehab exercises you can do at home, take time for them. Follow the recommendations from your rehabilitation therapist. Include fun activities in your schedule. They'll give you something to look forward to. Get enough sleep at night. Schedule regular rest breaks throughout the day. Sit to complete tasks whenever possible. Do more strenuous tasks when you have the most energy. If you're not feeling up to it, reschedule the errand, visit, or activity, as long as you're not postponing a health check. Your to-do list can wait.
As you adjust to life post-stroke, remember to take it slow and be patient with yourself. Make time for rest breaks, and stop immediately if you experience shortness of breath, excessive sweating, or dizziness.